Good morning, students. Today we will read chapter 1 of our geography textbook, Environment. Students, as we read earlier in this topic in our PA1 syllabus, what is environment? Environment is our basic life support system which provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. In this chapter, we read about a story. We studied a story of Ravi. Let's start our today's topic. Students, here is an example of Ravi and his surroundings. When Ravi going to school again, he noticed that the only playground next to his school was dug up. People said that a huge building with many flats will be constructed there. Ravi was almost in tears when he realized that the big playground with its soft grass, marigolds, and butterflies is gone forever. He shared his feelings with his classmates, and principal observed, see how our environment is changing. A discussion between Ravi and his teacher. What is environment? Whatever you see in your surroundings, said the teacher. And teacher replied to him, whatever you see in your surroundings, all are environment, which are basic life support system. Ravi thought loud. That means the school building, tables, chairs in the classroom, even in open field, the roads, the garbage, and my friends, all are parts of our environment. Here are some objects created by nature, like mountains, rivers, trees, animals, and others are made by people. For example, roads are constructed by men, cars, clothes, and books. Human beings make all these things, factories, cars, and so many other things. Human beings modify natural environment. Students, all these are components of our environment. We may classify into natural, human made, and like all facilities. Individual, family, community, religion, educational, economic, or political situation based. From the conversation of Ravi and his teacher, we understand that the people, the place, things, and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. It is a combination of natural and human made phenomena. Natural environment refers to biotic and abiotic conditions existing on the earth. What is biotic? The world of living organism like plants and animals. And what is abiotic? The world of non living elements like land. These are the differences between biotic and abiotic. Biotic living organism and abiotic non living organism. What is natural environment? Land, water, air, plants, and animals comprise the natural environment. Lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid crust of the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals that covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. In this picture, we may observe the main domains: lithosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and the fourth last, atmosphere. So lithosphere क्या है? Lithosphere is the solid crust or hard top layer of the earth made up of rocks, minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. Lithosphere is the domain that provides us forest, grasslands for grazing, land for agriculture and for human settlements. It is also a source of mineral wealth. All the minerals are कहाँ पर मिलते हैं मिनरल्स हमें? अंडर द अर्थ. The domain of water is referred to as hydrosphere. हाइड्रोस्फीयर क्या है? वाटर वाला पोर्शन जो है हमारा. इट कंप्राइज वेरियस सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वाटर बॉडीज लाइक रिवर्स, लेक्स, सीज, oceans, etc. And it is essential for all living organisms for drinking water. The atmosphere. Atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. And the fourth part is biosphere. What is biosphere? Plants and animals or plant and animal kingdom together makes biosphere or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. On our earth, very little area which provides all these facilities, where land, water and air interact with each other, where the environment supports us for our life. What is ecosystem? Ecosystem क्या है? This is an example of a pond ecosystem. All plants, animals, and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings. Often they are also interdependent on each other. This relation between the living organism as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. So, what is an ecosystem? All immediate surroundings, dependency on each other. So, all plants, animals, and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings, and this interdependency on each other may be known as ecosystem. Human environment. What is human environment? Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They led a simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature around them. With time, needs grew and became more varied. Humans learn new ways to use and change environment. अब पहले क्या था कि लोग पीपल्स जो थे वो कच्चा मांस खाते थे, तो उसके बाद फूड उन्होंने बॉयल करना या और उसको पकाना शुरू किया. दे लर्न टू ग्रो क्रॉप्स, डोमेस्टिकेट एनिमल्स लाइक काउज, बुफेलोज, कैट्स, ये सारी इन्होंने घर पर रखनी शुरू की. एंड लीड ए सेटल्ड लाइफ. द व्हील वॉज इन्वेंटेड. इन्वेंशन ऑफ व्हील, पहले पैदल जाते थे और फिर क्या हुआ, नई टेक्नोलॉजीज, इन्वेंशन ऑफ व्हील के साथ गाड़ी, कार्स, या स्टार्टिंग जो हुई थी हमारी जो एनिमल्स के साथ जो कार्ट्स बनाई जाती थी. सरप्लस फूड वाज प्रोड्यूस्ड, बार्टर सिस्टम मर्ज्ड, ट्रेड स्टार्टेड एंड कॉमर्स डेवलप्ड. फूड प्रोडक्टिविटी नहीं थी पहले, फूड प्रोडक्टिविटी को इंक्रीज किया, कॉमर्स डेवलप्ड हुए. इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन एनेबल्ड लार्ज स्केल प्रोडक्शन. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन बिकम faster. Information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. What is the example of communication? Like invention of telephones, developments in lines, connectivity, internets. These are information revolution sources. One main thing in these points were barter system. What is barter system? It is a trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money. In history chapters, we have also studied this topic. वहाँ पर भी हमने इस चीज़ को किया है कि वहाँ पर बार्टर सिस्टम्स होते थे. नोमाड्स जो थे, तो नोमाड्स क्या करते थे, सेटल्ड एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट जो थे उनके साथ जो वैल्यूएबल गुड्स जो थी उनका एक्सचेंज करते थे वो. दिस वाज नोन एज बार्टर सिस्टम. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी हैव कंप्लीट द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ दिस टेक्स्ट बुक, ज्योग्राफी टेक्स्ट बुक. Okay students, revise the complete lesson and learn exercise based question answers of this chapter. Thank you.